Teacher Gretchen.
안녕하세요, Teacher Rika.
Okay, so since earlier we are not able to join the monthly donation since because you are at school, so you have to receive your monthly donation 5,000 pesos from Gigom Dori Team Shangi.
Gegom dari Team Shangi, mayanghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
And also 1,000 pesos your encourage money that is from Handolnim.
Handolnim, mayanghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
And also 500 pesos and pugas that is from Ihojini.
Ihojini, mayanghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Bye bye Teacher Gretchen.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Ate Jasmine.
안녕하세요.
So, earlier, since you are at school, you have to receive 2,000 pesos for monthly donation from Chajunim.
자지훈님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
And also 500 pesos for Handulnim.
한두님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
And 500 from Kim Yong Solnim.
김효선님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
바이바이. 감사합니다.
Okay, so picture name give you 100. So what will you say? Bekshu Rinim. Okay.
하나 더 오빠였어?
Bekshorenim
또 후수
감사합니다.
왈라이 깔았다?
Kinsa pa wala na
김효선님, 감사합니다. 바이바이.
안녕하세요, Victoria. First of all, I would like to thank you for supporting me and for inviting me to Agla Resort and for everything. And advance happy birthday and wish you have a great and nice day. And also, I hope you enjoy visiting in here in the Philippines. God bless you. Thank you. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요, Victorine. Thank you for visiting us here as well as the others. We're so delighted and we're so grateful for every good deeds you have done to all members of Mactan Korea channel. Reminding you an advance happy birthday and always be safety when you go back to Korea. Once again, 감사합니다. Bye bye.
5. ganda. Ito bigyan
Allowance daw na.
Hello. Husu, no.
Oh, kinsa may sponsor
Use
ninyo?
Husu name?
Wala. Oh, who? Kinsa man tighatag? Okay.
SJ님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Oh, so SJ name naghatagan na ha para sa inyong allowance. Dili hatag sa inyong mamagpapaha kay bawo na sa balay.
Ito,
Oh,
kamnya
dami ah.
kulang.
Oh, oh. O suna, baon sad na nimo. Oh, go. Kinsa may naghatag ana sa imong kuan sa foods. Oh, oh, go. Oh, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Oh. Hello, Bidang. Oh, pila na ka kilo ka bugas? Oh, 10 kilos ha. Oh, tanan mo ay rice. Oh, nang mo bugas. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, Jandi, you have 10 kilos of rice. Oh. Kamsamida. O na mo rice ha. Study hard. Ha? Study hard.
Yung hasiyo anya. Okay, si Hong Song Yunim, he give you worth of 1,000 pesos to buy a groceries or imong ganahan. Understand? Okay, so unsa man imong buhaton?
안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 바이바이.
Bye-bye!
A bad girl. Hey, everybody, seems to be staring at me. You, all of you, how dare you to staring at me? Why? Is it because I'm a bad girl? A bad girl I am. A good-for-nothing teenager. A problem child? That's what you call me. I smoke, I drink, I gamble at my young tender age, I lie, I cheat, and I could even kill if I have to. You are my good parents, my good elder brother and sister in the society. You're